There you go. There you go.
My left eye, I can't see if I'm hitting or not.
Yeah, you're hitting it as long as you can see through the hole right at the tip of the pin. You got to line those. Go. Harder one.
Yeah, I never closed my left eye. Any other time I always close that.
Yeah, with pistols you could do either or. With rifles, you saw how hard it was to get that head over, right?
Yeah.
When you were trying to use this eye, you were like, if I'm left-handed, my left eye. Right-handed, because everything is in line like this. I can't get my head over the gun like that, right? So just keep that left eye closed. Yep.
Ugh.
I know, it's a little tough. Hey, worst comes to worst, we can always have you shoot left-handed, man. It's just as easy.
Really?
Yeah. All you're doing is, instead of this, I'm doing that.
Switching it up.
So instead of my left hand up here, I just switch it. Pull it into the left shoulder, cheek down. Your left eye is going to look right through those sights.
So I'm trying to start with that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try left handed.
You're going to do the same thing into the shoulder, cheek down. A little easier, huh?
Yeah, it is.
All right. Whenever you're ready, brother. You're about halfway. There you go, buddy. Full auto. Nice. What'd you think of that one?
That was nice. I like it being on the left side better.
Yeah.
But I'm not. It's crazy because I'm.
Yeah. You just got to train yourself.
Okay.
I can tell you, though, it definitely looked a lot better.
Yeah.
Your rounds looked a lot better when they hit the target.
That's all large.
All right. Go auto. Hit that guy down. All right, buddy. Rock and roll.
All right, Jared.
Hell yeah.
You like that one?
Oh.
That got way more kick than that.
Yeah, we haven't even got to the kick yet.
Oh wow, that's kind of crazy.
Tight into the shoulder. All right, AK-47, brother.
Okay, get it lined up.
All right, ready? Go. Ready. All right, hold on. A lot more kick, huh?
Way more kick.
All right. Are you on target? All right, I'm going to pull you off safe. Give me just a second. Wait for the command. 51 rounds! Go ahead. Woo. How was that? All right, this is the Scar 7 or Scar 16. You ready? All right, take one more. Yep.
Let me get behind the 90. Let me just grind the 90.
That's about the size of it, right?
Let me
The
slide
next one's gonna be like that. Oh yeah.
Let me get nasty about it. Don't want a real nigga like me. Might change your life. Fucking with a real nigga like this. Might get your ice.
I'm finna bend over and y'all can
cause I'm from the Bay. He wanna get behind and hike it like a